Ho ho ho! Welcome to Santa's Chocolate Factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate Christmas cake is made.
Rich cocoa and premium chocolate are blended perfectly to create Santa's favorite Christmas cake. Increasing speed. Temperature stable.
Consistency looks good on my end. Each cake is baked slowly to achieve deep chocolate flavor and soft texture.
Every chocolate Christmas cake is checked to meet Santa's quality standards.
Ho, ho, ho! And that's how chocolate Christmas cake is made, spreading sweetness and joy everywhere.
Subscribe for more magical AI factory tours and holiday specials!